In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow customers to repeat orders. WooCommerce for beginners. This is perfect if your customers buy the same items regularly and you want to make reordering as simple as a single click. By the end, you'll have a quick, reliable way for shoppers to repeat past purchases without rebuilding their cart from scratch. Start by opening your WooCommerce website and signing into your WordPress dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This is where you manage the tools that extend your store's functionality. Next, go to Add New and use the search bar at the top right. Type in Buy Again for WooCommerce. This is the plugin that adds a Buy Again or Reorder button to your customers' account pages. When you see the plugin in the results, open its details if you want to review the description and screenshots. Then activate it. If you see an Install Now button first, click that and then activate. Once activated, the feature is live for your store. Behind the scenes, it places a convenient button on the customer's My Account page, typically under Orders, so they can repeat any completed order. Now, take a moment to explore the plugin. You can usually find its options in the WooCommerce settings or within the plugin's own settings link on the plugins page. Look for controls to enable or disable the button on specific pages, customize the button label, and decide what happens with items that are out of stock or discontinued. Exploring these options helps you tailor the experience to your store's needs. To test it, open a customer account with at least one completed order and visit the My Account area, then Orders. You should see the Buy Again or Reorder button next to past purchases. Clicking it will rebuild the cart with the same products and quantities from that order. It respects stock and variations, so if something isn't available, the cart will adjust accordingly. A few tips to ensure smooth reorders. Clear any site or browser cache if the button doesn't appear right away. Verify that taxes, shipping, and coupons behave as expected during reorders, and consider customizing the button text to match your brand voice. If you use a multilingual site, make sure the label is translated appropriately. Finally, try the process on mobile to confirm the button is easy to tap and the flow feels seamless. That's it. You opened your WooCommerce site, went to Plugins, searched for Buy Again for WooCommerce, activated it, and explored its settings so customers can repeat orders quickly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your shoppers a faster path to their favorites.